Welcome to the Garmin vívoactive HR. From running and cycling to stand-up paddleboarding or golfing, the Garmin vívoactive provides you with more activity tracking options so that whatever you are doing, the Garmin can gauge your performance. Use the touchscreen and dual button control to navigate through the various sport options or create a custom activity such as strength training. With internal GPS, you won't need your phone to capture distance and pace metrics. Sync your Garmin watch to your phone using Bluetooth and receive alerts for incoming calls, text, and more. Using the Garmin Connect app, you can customize your device with watch faces and more. A snug fit just above the wrist bone will ensure that heart rate, sleep, and daily step count are accurately captured. When battery life is drained, use the USB charger included to connect the device to your computer for recharge. While you charge, you can share your activity metrics in your Garmin Connect account.